We will continue our text reading. So we were on page number 2. So we have exactly 20 minutes to wait. She, just right. You don't object a little conversation. She, we may as well, as we have 20 minutes. Now both are talking that we have just 20 minutes to wait for the train. That's why if you have any objection. So this thing is told by the he character that we want to discuss something. He grumblingly, why can't they have roof over the platform? This question is asked by male character that why these people are not covered this platform with roof. That station is not used very much, only for people changing the loop line to Stanthorpe. Just like we are changing the flights, just like connecting flights. That's why Stanthorpe station is also one of the loop line to exchange the trains for the passengers. It's long time since I was here. I live at Stanthorpe, so I know this waiting room quite well. He is saying that I never been to that station, but she is saying that I lived over there. That's why I generally I came over this station and I go to my Stanthorpe. You live there? Question. Do you know Mrs. Judy O'Kentup? ही जो है वो क्या कहता है, वो क्वेश्चन करता है कि आप वहाँ पे रहते हैं. वो शॉकिंग है उसके लिए कि आप वहाँ पे रहते हैं. अच्छा, तो आप मिसेस जूडी ओकेंटप को पहचानते हैं? यस शी लिव्स एट स्टैनथ्रॉप. वो कहती है हाँ मैं पहचानती हूँ उसको. व्हाट इज शी लाइक? नर्वसली यू मीन इन अपीयरेंस और इन कैरेक्टर? मीन्स ही जो है वो कहता है कि कैसे दिखाई देती है वो लेडी. तो वो जो लेडी है मिसेस जूडी ओकेंटप खुद मौजूद है वहाँ पे. वो कहती है कि आपको क्या देखना है, मीन्स आप क्या जानना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में, उसकी अपीयरेंस, उसकी फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर या फिर उसका कैरेक्टर, उसका किरदार, क्या पूछना चाहते हैं. इन अपीयरेंस आई नो ऑल अबाउट हर कैरेक्टर बिकॉज ही इज़ द एनिमी ऑफ दैट लेडी. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज सेइंग दैट आई नो ऑल अबाउट हर कैरेक्टर बट आई वांटेड टू नो द वी कैन से the appearance of that lady. She's fairly ordinary, means she's nothing very much special. She's just like an ordinary woman, nothing very remarkable about her. Short rather than tall, about 5'3", means she's not very much tall. She's short girl, weighs a little under 8 stone, means she's means not a slum, or we can say she has weight of 8 stone. No special distinguishing marks, means कोई भी ऐसी जगह चेहरे के ऊपर ऐसा कोई निशान नहीं है, मार्क नहीं है जिससे आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई, जैसे किसी का चेहरे पे जो है वो कोई दाग या कोई ऐसी चीज़ होती है जिससे हम उसको पहचानते हैं. I saw a photograph of her once in a newspaper. It was a newspaper photograph. You couldn't tell whether she was dark or fair, but I was told she's a banana blonde. वो कहता है कि I saw that lady in a newspaper and I saw her photograph in a newspaper, so I could not say properly whether she is dark one, she is fair one. So in this way I wanted to say that she is a very light in color. Banana blonde का मतलब means light in color. She was once, but blonde hair does not blonde forever. You know, I was blonde once. वो कहती है कि blonde hair जो है वो हमेशा blonde नहीं रहते. एक दफ़ा जो है मेरे भी जो है वो blonde hair थे. Casually pretty? Do you mean me or Mrs. O'Kentup? He is saying that she is pretty or not. So she is adding means somehow humor in the statement, and she is saying you are talking to me that I'm pretty one or Mrs. Judy Oquenta? He, her. Oh, I see. It all depend upon taste, doesn't it? I know some people used to think she was pretty, but may I ask you why you are curious about her? कि आप उसके बारे में इतना ज़्यादा क्यों पूछते हैं? हर इंसान का टेस्ट जो है वो चेंज है, मीन्स उसकी जो है देखने का अंदाज़, या आप कह लें कि जो है उसकी जो है अपीयरेंस. ही, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टैनथ्रॉप ऑन पर्पस टू सी हर. दैट्स वाई आई आस्क्ड व्हाट शी लुक लाइक so that I would recognize her when I saw her. So he is saying that I am going to Stanthorpe to see her. So please give me a brief description of that lady. That's why maybe I recognize her properly. She, well, you have only to go to her house and knock at the door. She will probably answer it herself. Then you will be able to form your own opinion to whether she is pretty or not. So she is advising him that you have to go there to her house and knock at the door, and when she comes out, you will identify, you will recognize yourself that whether she is pretty or not. He, that is why I intend to do. She, does it matter? What do you mean? Whether she is pretty or not? Not in my least. I want just 10 minutes alone with her. That's all. He is saying that I don't have any kind of matter with her, but I just wanted to spend alone 10 minutes with that lady, and that is all about my purpose of meeting with that lady. She, that should not be difficult. You have already had 5 minutes alone with me. वहाँ पे जो लेडी है मिसेस ओकेंटअप, जो रेलवे स्टेशन पर उसके साथ गुफ्तगू कर रही है, वो कह रही है कि हमारी गुफ्तगू को भी 5 मिनट हो चुके हैं, तो 10 मिनट उससे आप बात करेंगे तो वो बात जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होगी, आप आराम से उससे स्ट्रेंज लेडी से बात कर सकते हैं. ही, दैट लीव्स अस 15 मोर. ही स्पीक्स ग्रमली लुकिंग स्ट्रेट एट हर. वो कहता है कि अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ 15 मिनट्स हैं. शी, yes, you and I are here alone for 20 minutes. She is saying that we are here for 20 minutes alone. So just spending 10 minutes is not a big deal for you. We have never met before, and we shall very likely never see each other again. I often think about these chances and casual meetings we have with people. So now she is saying that we have chance meeting with the people, we have casual meetings with the people. That's why sometimes you yourself is meeting with the people, they are completely unknown to you, they are completely stranger to you, and when you meet with those people, you feel that somehow a strange feelings over there. Thousands of them in the course of lifetime. People we pass in the street, sat behind the bus queue, sat next to in the theater, and so on. They are living their own lives, and then you have just for brief space they come into your life only to disappear, and for all you know to die the next day. वो कहते हैं कि हमारे पास ऐसे लोग रास्ते से गुजरते वक्त आपके पास टकराते हैं, मिलते हैं, वो चांस मीटिंग होती है. आप थिएटर में मूवी देख रहे हैं, वहाँ पे क्राउड होता है जो आपके साथ बैठता है, वो आपके पास चांस मीटिंग होती है. कुछ लोग जो है कभी आप क्यों या लाइन में खड़े हुए होते हैं तो आपके साथ मिलते हैं या आप उनको देखते हैं, पहचानते नहीं हैं, वो भी चांस मीटिंग का हिस्सा हैं, और वो अपनी ज़िंदगी खुद जीते हैं, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी खुद जीते हैं. दूसरे दिन इनका पता नहीं कि उनमें से कोई बंदा जो है उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. तो ये कैजुअल मीटिंग्स हमारी लाइफ के अंदर आती है. ये कैजुअल मीटिंग्स जो है बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए कि वो हमारी ज़िंदगी में एक एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. वो हमारी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं, हमारी मेमोरी का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं. दैट इज़ शी वांटेड टू talk about the chance meeting, or perhaps they live forgetting you completely and long after you are dead. Means by the passage of time you meet with those people, after that you forget these people, and then one day you completely forget that persons. Your life touches another life for a minute and for an hour, and that it swings apart. You go your own way and I go mine. कहते हैं कि इसी तरीके से एक लम्हा जो है वो आपकी लाइफ के अंदर दूसरे लोगों को ले आता है, फिर वो लम्हा जो है वो गुज़र जाता है, लोग चले जाते हैं, आप अपने काम में मसरूफ़ हो जाते हैं, वो अपने काम में मसरूफ़ हो जाते हैं। दैट इज़ आल्सो वन ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ. This part and parcel of life you cannot deny from that casual meetings in your life, and that casual meetings and chance meetings happens in every stage of life and with every person, every individual. This is not, you cannot escape from that thing. कि हमारी लाइफ के अंदर बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं ना, उससे आप दूर नहीं जा सकते, वो आपकी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा हैं, वो किसी ना किसी तरीके से आपको मिलते हैं, मगर वो आपके लिए स्ट्रेंजर होते हैं. He sometimes one of these brief casual meetings may alter your life, because he himself is the victimized of that meeting. That's why he is saying that some people, alter का मतलब चेंज करना, आपकी लाइफ completely चेंज हो जाती है कभी कभार किसी से मिलने के बाद. She not in my experience, वो कहते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा कोई तजर्बा नहीं है. He, you never know what is round the corner. I can tell you of two of these minutes meeting which have had the most profound effect on my life, but for them everything would have been absolutely different. कि हमारी लाइफ के अंदर जो है, वो कहता है कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में 2.5 मिनट की एक मीटिंग जो थी उसने मेरी ज़िंदगी को पूरा चेंज करके रख दिया. अभी मैं बहुत डिफरेंट हो चुका हूँ, पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. She, can you really know that? Perhaps some other event. क्या आपको पता है कि आप जिस चेंज मीटिंग का बात कर रहे हैं उसकी कोई और इवेंट या इंसिडेंट आपकी लाइफ के अंदर आया है जो आप बताना चाहते हैं? I will tell you one of them. It was a place you have never been to. It was in Korea, June 1953. I had been wounded. They had strapped me on the stretcher and dumped me by a roadside to wait for an ambulance. कहते हैं कि it was an incident took place, means I participated in the war as a soldier in 1953 Korean war. So I injured badly over there. So my companions, my soldiers, they are trying to get an ambulance to shift me towards the hospital. I had nothing to live for. The pain was pretty bad. I guess I fainted. Means the pain was unbearable. I fainted over there. I became unconscious. When I came to, there was a Korean girl bending over there. Means when I gained my consciousness, I saw that a Korean nurse, she is bending over over me. So in this way I saw that girl. This is also one of the chance meeting. She was about 14, not pretty, of course, but friendly brown eyes and long black plaits hanging in front of her shoulders. Means she is just 14 years old. She is a good looking girl and she having a plaits. मीन्स शोल्डर के ऊपर जो मीन्स हम जो चोटी बांधते हैं, गर्ल्स वगैरह जो बांधती हैं, तो वो नर्स जो है वो 2 किस्म के शोल्डर के ऊपर चोटी जो है वो बांध के उनकी बंधी हुई थी. शी डिडंट से एनीथिंग, शी जस्ट स्माइल्ड एंड आई स्माइल्ड बैक. सम बिजी बॉडीज चेस्ड हर अवे. Then an ambulance came up and I just jolted for miles to a hospital. Means that was the first aid given to me by a Korean girl, a Korean nurse. After that I get an opportunity to embark in the ambulance and I shifted to an hospital, and that's why after that she disappeared from my life. She just go away from my life. but her smiling face is in my memory. The pain was much worse, but I could not bear it now. I didn't want to die anymore. I wanted to live. I knew I should live. I had a purpose. But the pain is very much terrible for me. But I wanted to live in this life because I have a motto, I have a purpose to take revenge of my daughter and innocent wife from that lady she killed on the path. That's why I wanted to live over there. I wanted to bear that pain. It was just for a moment or two. She and I met. We shall never meet again. But that one meeting gave me the strength and courage to live. Means now he is saying that nurse, she is connected with the medical facility, and she is curing, she is giving treatment to, and she is looking after the sick and the ill people. But I am injured one. I meet with that girl. In this way, I recall my daughter over there. That's why I don't want to live, die over there. I wanted to live, and and this meeting gave me the courage and strength to live again in this world, because I wanted to achieve my goal, and I whatever the target I set before me, I wanted to achieve that. I wanted to punish that lady. Yes, I can understand that. Her smile made you realize that there was still some goodness in life. She is diverting the attention of the male character, and she is saying that this is the goodness of that lady. This is the goodness of life, that she is smiling to you. She is giving you happy treatment over there. It made me realize that my daughter would have been like if she had lived. तो कहते कि अगर मेरी बेटी ज़िंदा होती तो उस 14 ईयर्स कोरियन नर्स की तरह होती, और उसी का चेहरे में मुझे अपनी बेटी का चेहरा जो है वो सामने नज़र आया, जो मुझे एक जो है मुझे जो है रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था कि मेरी जो है वो इनोसेंट डेथ हुई है या जो किलिंग हुई है उसका रिवेंज आपको लेना है, इसलिए शायद आप इस दुनिया में ज़िंदा हैं. आई एम सॉरी. इट गेव मी ए पर्पज़ इन लाइफ. What purpose? Revenge. And that is the theme of the melodrama of 20 Minutes with Mrs. Oakentub. The revenge is the theme of the drama, and now he is saying that this is the purpose of my life, to take revenge from that lady. That is innocent child, smile persuaded you to dedicate your life to wickedness and hate. Now she is saying that why are you spending your life in a hatred way? You bore a wickedness inside your heart. Why you are living your life happily? That was an incident that happens in your life, and they left you forever from this world. So this is not the cause that you wanted to take revenge. Vengeance is not wickedness. बदला लेना जो है वो wickedness नहीं है. It is not wicked to punish the evildoer, because he is saying that I wanted to punish that evildoer. I wanted to punish that lady. Vengeance is mine, said the Lord. Okay. Thank you very much.